Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and the first option we need to do is to activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So to activate them, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then scroll down to the very bottom again and localize build number. Then keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and we can go back to find the system. Here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on them. And now let's scroll down to find this option, Automatic System Update. So all we have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.